Week 6 arrived quite suddenly with all the subgroups in a furor. As the final days of the 2012 FRC season approached, the race to complete final tasks intensified. The electrical team continued to run multiple tests of the tracking camera and later worked on calibrating the shooter.
Hello, Brian.
Hi, Mary.
What have you guys been working on?
Well, me, Nathan, and Arnold have been working on the camera.
Well, can you explain more about that?
So we've been calculating the distance from the camera to the goals and then getting a measured distance using the camera, and we've been comparing it to see how accurate the camera is.
So what else do you guys have to finish?
We have to finish the rest of our programming and then put it all into one project and load into the robot.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Within the short span of time, the mechanical subgroup prepared components to mount the shooter to the chassis after finishing their fine-tuning.
Hello, Michael.
Hello.
What have you guys been working on?
Well, we've been working on putting the tracks together, and we've been working on the turret.
Can you explain more about that?
Well, for example, the turret, we've cut down the pillar things we arc it with, so that there'd be a wider range where we could shoot it from.
Did you guys encounter any problems?
The robot's been getting kind of close to weight limit, so we've been trying to cut back on that.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
The website team moved along with routine site maintenance and seasonal updates and entered the link for judging, which could begin next week.
Hello, Michael.
Hello, Youngri.
What have you guys been working on?
Been working on updating the build season page ever since we relaunched the site last week.
Oh, what else have you been doing?
We've been continuing editing the weekly photos that we get in, as well as take extra photos on my spare time because my current job for right now is to create the spirit items.
Oh, what kinds of spare items?
We are doing laser and fans this year, and of course we're going to style it to this year's game, as well as have our team's name written all over it, which we'll be using at our upcoming competitions.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
The animation team makes speedy progress, adding realistic characteristics to their model structures.
Hey, Sean.
Hi Mary.
What things have you guys been working on?
Well, for this week, I've been creating 2 models, and those models were based off from actual people in our robotics team. I won't, name who they are. It's a secret, a surprise. And for Kevin, he's been working on creating clothes, and he's been having sort of a hard time stitching up the fabric. And Austin has been working on the Utopia. Not yet finished, but almost. He's getting there. And for Justin, he's been working on additional accessories for the models, such as eyeglasses, shoes, and some other things.
What other tasks do you have to complete?
Well, we still got to do a lot, like for the animating process. We got to do what's called rigging for the models, meaning adding bone structures to the models so you can move them around, and having the cloth react to the body's movement, as well as some texturing, whitening, and all that sort of other stuff.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Team Kikamana created a bumper design meant to be low to the ground to protect the wheels, yet high enough to easily get over the barrier. That concludes Week 6 of the 2012 FRC season. Please stay tuned for Crunch Time.